In this video, I'm going to take you through an example dashboard to give you an idea of what can be done using the OpenCRM to ClicData integration. The dashboard I'll be showing you is a simplified version, using entirely fake data of course, of ones created and used by one of our customers. There's a whole article on our website about how this customer uses ClicData that I will link to in the description of the video. So let's get started. First step, you can see at the top of the dashboard that we have these filters. These allow different managers and users to drill down into the performance of particular users or teams, in this case region rather than team. By changing any of these filters, you can see that the graphs or widgets, as ClicData refer to them, on the dashboard below change. But what are these widgets actually showing? These first two show activity data coming from OpenCRM. You can see how many calls each user has made and whether they are on track to achieve their target. The target itself is actually set within ClicData using a feature that allows you to edit your data, adding columns, calculated values, and so forth. The speedometer widget, which shows the total number of activities for all selected users against the target, is great for an at-a-glance update for a number of users. If I change the user filter, let's show only users who haven't achieved their target this month, we can see how that changes. Below this, we've got a basic pipeline graph using data from OpenCRM. This shows the various opportunity values and sales stages, the value of closed won records, as well as a target. Opportunity pipelines are a great way to get a snapshot of how your month is shaping up. And then finally, we've got a list of upcoming appointments by date and user. Our client actually uses a table similar to this to see upcoming and recent appointments with data pulled from an app their engineers use while on site. If I scroll back up to the top and change the filters, so we can look at, for example, how the northern team did over the last few months, we can see that calls were a bit down in November, started to turn around a bit in December, and seemed to be doing well in January. Both November and December were good in terms of sales. Well, they hit their targets anyway. But January, well, the team need to pick it up if they're actually going to hit their target. But they do have a fair bit kind of sitting in the pipeline, so maybe they can turn it around. And then we can see they've got a few appointments in January and February coming up. So you can see that even this very simplified and stripped back dashboard can give managers an overview of team performance. By combining data from multiple sources, in this case OpenCRM and a mobile app, you save yourself time and energy because you don't have to log into multiple places to get that information. This type of dashboard can also be used to give everyone else an idea of where they need to put their focus to achieve their targets. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions about OpenCRM or what's possible with our ClicData integration, please do get in touch.